Ever find yourself struggling to maintain a lush green garden in an arid climate? Enter drought-tolerant plants, your garden's lifesavers in dry conditions. They not only survive but thrive, transforming barren lands into vibrant green spaces. Well, fear not. With the right plants, even the driest climates can host thriving gardens. The first step in your arid gardening journey is selecting the right plants. Consider drought-tolerant varieties like agave, with its fleshy leaves, or yucca, known for its rosette of evergreen, sword-shaped leaves. Sedum, with its succulent foliage, and echinacea, a hardy perennial, are also great choices. These plants have evolved to thrive in dry conditions, their unique adaptations enabling them to store moisture and withstand the heat. Remember, the key to successful arid gardening is choosing plants that love the heat as much as they hate the water. Now that you've got your plants, it's time to delve into the art of maintaining them. Let's start with watering. Drought-tolerant plants have adapted to survive in arid conditions, so it's essential not to overwater. A good rule of thumb is to let the soil dry out between waterings. Next, consider the soil. These plants typically prefer well-drained soil, which prevents water from pooling around the roots. If you're using a pot, make sure it has proper drainage holes. Lastly, let's talk about sunlight. Most drought-tolerant plants love the sun and do best in full to partial sunlight. However, each plant is unique, so it's crucial to know your plant's specific sunlight needs. Remember, these plants are survivors. They've evolved to thrive under harsh conditions, so don't fuss too much. With just a bit of care, your drought-tolerant plants will not only survive but thrive, adding beauty to your garden without draining your water resources. And there you have it, a simple guide to creating and maintaining a drought-tolerant garden. Embrace these resilient plants, enjoy their beauty, and reap the benefits of a water-wise garden. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!